Hello. Hiya. Hello. Abeg, if na today be your first time wey you dey waka the pass, abeg make you no forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make you like, make you turn on your notification bell in case if I post video, you go be the first person to see. Share the video anywhere you want share am. Share the video with friends and family. Call everybody, make them come here, come learn. You know, we dey learn, nobody perfect. If you hear somebody's story, you go use them, you know. So next time, if na that step or na that thing dey happen to you, you go know how you go take maintain. So one of our subscriber now, the story where she bring, she need help, you know. She be Calabar girl and her husband na Yoruba boy. They can't see each other, they can't fall in love, they can't marry. But wetin dey there be say, the first time when carry this woman go in mama place, in mama no gree, mama no like the girl, in papa no like the girl, even the boy sister no like the girl. And una know how some of our African men they be. Now Oyibo na they tolerate, but Daki, they will tell you they no want this, they no want that, they no want this. The boy no listen, the boy can't marry the girl. Because in mama when they do the wedding, mama no go, in papa no go, nobody go. But he invite, whether I go bring person as family where they stand for their wedding, you know. So they can't fall in, they can't, you know, they can't date, they can't they born. This girl can't get belly. As the girl get belly, her first pikin when she born na disabled. She can't get belly again. Her second pikin na disabled. She can't born again. Her third pikin na disabled. She born again. Her fourth pikin na disabled. You know, the woman can't dey curious, can't dey wonder. And since where all these things can't dey happen to the woman, the man no can't dey mind am again, you know. And you know, as a woman, I go dey frustrated. The man can't dey go outside, dey sleep with women. You know, the man can't dey tell am say, as this thing don't be now, he go leave am because he no go fit dey with person wey go dey born disabled. And the woman don't go hospital go check. The man self don't go do checkup. Doctor say everything dey okay with them. So why they born disabled? They don't go church, they don't do everything, still go no good. You know, why the woman bring this topic to me be say she don't dey face this problem now for 8 years now. Whether na 8 to 9 years, she don't dey face am. She no get anybody where she go cry to. If she cry na her mama she go cry to. If she call the boy sister, nobody dey mind am. If she call the boy brother, nobody dey mind am. If she call the boy mama, tell them say now wetin the boy dey do them, they know they even pick phone. Because where the girl they go the relationship, the first day where the boy carry the girl go meet him mama reject the girl. No be say the girl na bad girl. Sometimes this thing they happen, you know. As I talk for one of my video before, some people go just see you, no do them anything, they no go like you. Now normal, you know if you do anything about them, you know. Many things they happen. You go just some people just see they will just hate you for nothing, you know. So you know life, this thing they happen well, you know. So make people learn from this video. People go learn for this story, you know. So the girl come dey face all this challenge. She go dey cry, she go dey suffer. Although government dey help am, but she said the help with the government dey help am say no be her problem. But the guy no dey make am happy. The guy no dey sleep for house. Sometimes the guy no dey come home, dey sleep. Sometimes the guy no dey even eat her food. You know, anything where the girl they do before the guy they support am, but the guy no dey do anything. Sometimes the guy will just come off for house 2 months. He no go see this guy. You know, and now if anything like that happen, only him mama they talk to. You know, they feel call the boy mama because if he call they know they pick. You know. And she don't they pray over this thing. As she call me they cry, me she no worry, go better. It go better. She said as this thing don't be now, she won't even leave the marriage say. But her fear now, if she leave her marriage now, the man where she go marry now, go feel accept the picking. The 4 disabled when born. Because the thing say the man no go the thing say she go born disabled for now be her problem now. No be say she won't leave the man. She said as the man don't dey treat am, the man they maltreat am. You know, sometimes the children they go dey cry, so the man no go even help and do anything like before the man they help am. You know, but her fear now, the man go come up for house 2 months before the man go come. if she cook, the man no dey eat. So all these things come make am frustrate. She come dey cry. She say she dey confused. She no know wetin she go do. She no know. Say she tell me say she wan leave the man, but to leave the man no be problem. If she leave the man, another man wey go come her life go accept am. Na be the thing wey the girl dey go through now. Because the man no dey answer am again. The man no dey even touch am. The man no dey, if I say touch am now, una know wetin I mean by touch. Mona no mind this my room because my landlord dey do the work for me. So now I make my room be like this. So now they see all these things. Now my master bedroom is my other room. I get two things too much there because they set things there. My things don't occupy the room. So now this one now they use a bed when I know verse when I manage and when I go they see the wall, this thing there, the job, the work the way that they do, don't make the work they somehow. But when I know what when I manage them. I know if you go borrow person room, can't use the can't they do video just because I won't do YouTube. Now waiting I get now go use. So yeah, gonna me they pay for my rent. I mean they do everything by myself. So I don't get any problem. But I just they tell now go now they see the wall. Yes, when I know verse. So the woman come they tell me her problem. Now come they tell me how the thing they go. Now I say now what she won't do. Now she says she don't know what she will do. Her mama don't they tell her say make him leave the man. Because man will go come up for house 2 months, will come back anytime when like. If he go that 2 months, if he go off in phone, the girl no they even they hear from her. The girl call him phone no they go. If the man come ask, the girl will come the girl will come ask the man will come the saying, no ask me any stupid thing. No be you go tell me where I will go. And you no get right to ask me and I no get anything to answer you. The man no they touch him. The man no they sleep with him. The man no they do anything. You understand? So the woman now she don't dey frustrated. She know since when she start to dey born with this man, she no dey happy. And when they marry, do wedding, everything dey fine. But when she get belle, her first pikin disabled, second disabled, third disabled, fourth now 4 children don't born now, and all of them now disabled. So the woman say ma bring this problem out. Me my fans pray for am. But now leave she won't leave the man because now 2 years she don't dey go. Through all these things for 8 years now. Now 2 years ago, now the man start to behave like this. But when they don't born everything for now everything together now 8 years. But when the man start to change now 2 years, now ask her say you no do the man anything. She say she no do the man anything. No, she no do the man. She dey cook. She just realize say the pikin they cry one day. She tell the man say make the man go carry the pikin. She dey cook for kitchen. Now the man say this your useless pikin. No be me go carry this kind tanga. I just use them like that because of YouTube. This tanga where you born, no be me go carry the tanga. Go take care of your tanga by yourself. The way she come cry. She her food even burn for fire safe. Now that day, now I come realize say the man can't change. If the man no want touch if the pikin near and self, the man go push them because the children then sick. Now say now disabled now they be. So her fear that now come they ask and say, but she do mistake. Why? Because many women they do this mistake where if they won't go marry, I don't know the way we African women are. We they fall in love. They fall in love to the extent say if we fall in love, say our love na blindness. Some women are only their own. They think of you want marry man. Your demand family say they don't like you. No be for you to stay off. I don't understand some women. The man go come they confuse them say, oh if my family no like I no care now you are like. How the marriage go work? If the man start to misbehave tomorrow, who you won't cry to? Men their hearts now be their mama heart. Any man where they misbehave now only their mama feel calm them down. Yes. I remember that time that I did one, but if the boy they misbehave, if I call him mama, now mama go put the boy down and the boy they fear mama well. But this thing what they talk, you don't tell that I did Niger. Any man will love him mama. That man, if the man do you anything, it's easy for you to go to the boy mama say now like this, now like now ask the woman say but why when you they go for relationship with the man never marry you? When tell the man papa say no like you. The mama say no like you, the sister no like you. You do them anything say no. But why you accept this boy? He said the boy say no mind, no be mama won't marry, and no be mama love her, now she want, no be her family, make she no worry about her family. but me I dey think say this thing na spiritual. How una think? I dey think say this thing na spiritual because dey normal. And as the boy dey misbehave, now he no go fit cry go meet the boy family because he don't do nobody dey mind am. If he dey cry sef, him mama go dey cry with am. Na so she tell me o. I just feel for this woman. How una see this thing? She say she wan leave the boy now, but her problem now, if she leave the man now, the next man wey go come her life, the man go fit accept the pikin. Una know say e no easy. If he get pikin, another man wey wan come into your life na problem. And like that sef, she dey tell me say she no want make man come take advantage because government dey really take it. They take care of the pikin well. She dey tell me say the money wey the pikin then dey earn sef no be small money, but no be that one be her problem. She need her happiness. Now say well, every woman need to be happy. Every woman deserve to be happy. I know say some people feel say when her pikin dey sick now, no be to concentrate on her pikin. Why she go dey look for love? My sisters, my brothers, my family. E no easy now. Woman, wetin if any woman wey dey happy, you dey see your pikin sef. Fine, I know say some women they will say their pikin na your love, but na lie. There is no way you go just stay like that. So you say you go say you know love any man. You just stay with your pikin like that. Fine, some women they then be like that. But her problem now be say which man go accept am? Which man go accept the pikin? 4 children and all of them na kpanga. I no want una know the word now because of YouTube. Na kpanga na she get. Now her fear now which man go accept them? To fall into relationship, into love, no be problem for her. She no want make any man take advantage of her. Now be the problem now where she get now. She dey tell me say she no want man wey go take advantage of am. This story dey very sad, and the man now this one now will make her mind change now. When the man come up for house now, 5 months now the man never come. He can't call the man family. They can't say, but we tell you say we no want you. Why you marry our pikin? Marriage wey the man no gree, the man papa no gree, the man mama no. I don't understand some women. I remember that time we be say my brother go carry woman. My man just see the woman. My man no, I don't know why. The thing they happen. My man no like the woman. Now me confuse my man. Me I be one kind of person be say because I dey put myself say I be woman. Wetin person go do you way like, but fit force person feelings. I don't know if you know it. Now me confuse my man, and the girl na good girl. The girl go dey wash my man clothes, go dey do still my man no like the girl. Now me confuse my man. If not some women they go support their mama. Me no be everything wey my man wants now they do. You understand? Because I be woman. The girl no do my man, but it dey happen normal. Now normal this thing dey happen. If you go into some relationship, the boy sister fit see say they don't like her, and do them anything. Me I dey always dey feel for women when they into that position. But this advice I go give women: if you dey go relationship or you dey marry man, once the mama don't see you say no like you, stay off. Because some mama their pikin na be their best friend. If you no listen, you marry the pikin, you dey into big mess. If any problem happen, see wetin this woman dey face now. If she call the boy mama, nobody dey answer them. But if say the boy mama like the girl, the man family like the guy, the boy dey misbehave, the family for support the girl, talk sense into the boy. So this thing a very sad story. I bet Mona pray for this woman. Mona pray she dey cry well. 5 months now the man never come house. 5 months now as we dey talk now the man never come. Him phone don off. If he call the boy family, they will say, but we tell you say leave our pikin alone, you no gree. So I beg, sometimes Mona understand say they say love cover all things, but na lie. You see now the man now wey dey tell am say no worry, now you are love, no be my family. You see say the man don't turn against her. Now so the thing they be, men their mouth sweet. If man wants you, man fit do anything to get you. So now she no fit go cry to the boy mama. Anything will happen now her mama she dey cry to. Imagine 4 children, then Panga, 4 children. The thing they very sad. She say she dey cry all the time. She no dey happy. As the children don't even be like that. If you say her man can't dey by her side, she no go dey think too much. she no go dey think too much. Na the woman put am, the man I put am into this condition, but the man don leave am. Na because na 5 months be this now, 5 months. And dem marry, dem do wedding, do everything. The man dey work, dey do better job, the woman dey do better job. As dem born, wey be say the pikin come be kpanga, na the man say make the woman stop work, make no dey work, so that he go fit to dey take care of the pikin dem. You know, easy. Even though if you dey carry dem dey go hospital sef, she dey suffer well 4 children. You know, so abeg, this video go for my beautiful African women. If you dey go marry or you dey date man, if the man family no like you, stay off. Some women dey do that thing well. I don't know whether na in the name of cassava o. I don't know. They always dey think about themselves. Man, wey you dey go marry, the family no like you, stay off. Stay off. Men full out there, and I dey notice this thing well. If you dey go meet man, the man family come say leave my pikin alone, you no gree, the thing no dey go well. Yes, because their blessing no dey. Any marriage or any relationship with blessing no dey, no dey work. Even sometimes as we women sef, we go date man, your mama go say, you go bring man come, and your mama go say I no like this boy. The boy no do them anything, your mama go just say I no like this boy. You no go gree, you go follow the boy, go see say you go get as you go be, the boy go come show you pepper. It dey happen. It dey happen well. So my women, I beg, if you dey go marry, this video dey teach people less. If you dey go marry or you dey date man, the man mama say no like the boy, stay off. No let the love come strong, because if the love strong, na there the thing dey hard. Because it no make sense say you go come marry, the man family themselves no. If the man start to dey misbehave or the man dey do you anything, who you wan cry to? Na the boy mama na the boy na go fit talk to him mama, say my pikin, the way you dey treat this woman, you no good. But if the boy family ignore you, the boy sister ignore you, the boy papa ignore, who you wan cry to? If your mama call the boy, now wetin the boy like, the boy go do. But the boy family no her, blood na blood. He must listen to him mama. He no get as he be. If the boy say no listen sef, they fit go meet their elder people, they go sit down like as African people they do, they go talk sense into the boy, the man go change. So I beg women, if they go marriage or they go relationship, some women they say they no care because of future, care because the man buy for your head, you get big problem. Yes, if the man buy, that name where they call buy, the man buy, you get big problem. Who you want run to? Now you go come go meet the man family, they say your pikin don't buy. When they tell say, they say now you buy am na. They say now they watch many these Igbo movies where we say they go marry, their husband go buy, they come bath the man, come give the woman the water drink, they come baba the woman go the makpa. Now they see am for movie. It dey happen real. Some Igbo tribe, that's what they do. If they go marry their people, they say me you no marry am, you can't marry am. Now big problem dey. So I beg women, wanna learn lesson. If man carry you go in house, go greet in family, the family they say they no like you, stay off. Or what you go do, try to win the man family heart. Yes, try to go closer to the woman, ask the woman why no like you, try your best. If you don't try your best, if you work, the woman mind change to, the boy mama mind change to, you fine. But if the boy mama no gree, stay off. If not, he go suffer because of future. And again, mostly you go see say at the end the man will come turn against you, because nothing pass blood. There is no way where the man will deny blood because of you, but because of saying love you. Now man, he go always say, oh I no care, now you are love, but na lie. Men go always be men. So women, wanna learn from this thing. I won't wrap this video now. I wanna comment down below what you wanna think. I wanna see this thing. What you wanna think? I wanna not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn the notification bell in case if I post video now you go be the first person to see. I wanna share this video with friends and family. I wanna share the video. I appreciate all of you now they watch my video, the people will like, the people will comment, the people will subscribe, the people will watch. I appreciate. I thank all of you so much. I won't wrap this video now. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.